Listen, you're tired of your job, and in this video, I'm going to show you something that I discovered that helped me make an additional monthly revenue, a cash flow system that made my job pretty much obsolete. Now, here's a disclaimer. This is an aggressive strategy. This is for if your back is against the wall, and if you were like me and you just knew that you deserved better. You knew that you were working too hard for your money and your money is not working hard enough for you. Now, this strategy, all you need to actually execute it is only $12,000. And that is going to literally replace your income. So I did a little research and I found out that the average American household spends $6,545 a month in monthly expenses. If yours is more than that, then just double the numbers I'm giving. If it's less than that, then you're in a great boat. So I did the math step by step and I discovered that literally with only 12 grand, I can actually replace a $80,000 a year job or $80,000 a year income. And the caveat is it only takes me 1 to 2 hours a day to execute this successfully. Okay. So what am I talking about here is the ability to use your money to generate money. I usually call it renting out cash or the on-call babysitter method. But there's a spin to that you can use to generate daily cash flow without tripping. For example, when I first started being heavy in this strategy, I started making about $800 a week, and then I learned to scale it from there. So this is exactly what you do. You need to learn the difference between buying and selling. See, most people come into the markets because they're trying to make quick money. They're trying to get freedom, but they're thinking about it the wrong way. They're thinking about multiplication first. How can I make as much money as fast as possible? Which is good, but first we want to cover our downside. Because if you were like me, if you have expenses, you have bills, you have kids, there's things that you can't afford to gamble. So you needed a solid baseline where income was coming in, then that allowed you to shoot for the moon and then get your $10,000 days or $20,000 days or whatever that is. But let me get right to the strategy. So what we're going to use for this is options. Why options? Because options is one of the only legal ways that I know that can make you very quick cash very legally. And there was a law that was passed in June 2026 that actually allowed this to be possible for the everyday American or the tech bro or the corporate worker. You see, before June 2026, you needed $25,000 to actually put open and close a position on a daily basis. It was called the pattern day trading rule. So if you didn't have $25,000 and you took 3 day trades in a 5 day period, they will flag your account as a pattern day trader and they will literally restrict you from trading. Well, as of June, that amount has been reduced to 2,000. So with only $2,000, you can get in and out of positions as quickly as possible. This allows us to do something that's very rare that most people don't know. It allows us to recycle our cash. So before this strategy, I would have needed 25K for. But because of the pattern day trading rule changing, because of this rule, I only need half of that capital to achieve the same results. So let's actually break down the math. Okay. So if you needed $6,545 a month, that breaks down to about $327 a day. And guess what? It's not that daunting. Making $327 a day is actually not that hard to do. Sure, you can learn how to do that in Uber. Sure, you can probably make that doing Uber. Sure, you can make that doing other side hustles and business. But I wanted to make money from my house without stressing and actually seeing immediate returns, which means that I do it and literally within 2 hours I get paid. So one of the strategies I use for this is selling spreads. And for those who don't understand what a spread is, there's other videos on my channel about that. I will actually link that down. But just to give you a very basic definition, a spread is when you actually use your money to become a mini insurance company using the market. So insurance companies actually do two things. What they usually do before they can insure your car and insure your house, they need something called a bond. So they actually have to go out and purchase insurance, okay? Just in case anything happens, there's a big flood in a whole state and something that they can't handle. Legally, they have to have excess funds, and that's called a bond. So they purchase bonds, sometimes in the form of life insurance and other financial equities. And then after they've bought bond, they've bought cash they've bought protection, then they can sell you insurance. Okay. So they have protection for their downside, and then they sell you insurance for their upside. Essentially, we're doing the same thing in the market. So usually people are buying something. So let's say it was Apple. Okay. Let's say Apple here was the stock you wanted to buy. Usually people make money, they'll say, okay, I'm going to buy Apple at 140 and I'm going to hope it goes up. I'm going to buy the 140 call in Apple and hope it goes up. Well, if we're going to operate like an insurance company, we kind of do the opposite. We don't just buy, we actually sell. So what I do is that I provide insurance for the person who owns Apple shares, and I say, hey, listen, I'll insure your Apple as long as it doesn't drop below 120. Okay. So I'm going to sell you an Apple call as long as it doesn't drop below 120. And then to protect my downside, I'm going to buy 100 call. So literally, I'm only responsible for the difference in between. Okay. The price in between the 100 and the 120, which we know is $20. Now, I don't like going into a lot of math on my channel, but I just want you to kind of get an idea of how it works, okay? Now, in options, everything is times 100. So this $20 really means I'm on the hook for 2K. But because I'm selling options, by literally having my cash up like that, they're going to pay me about $80 per contract. Okay, they're gonna pay me about $80 per contract. Okay. And what that looks like at the end of the day is after I sell it, maybe at 50%, I'm going to net about $30 to $40 per contract. So let's just use 30 for safe math. So $30 per contract is what I'm going to net, which means that I'm going to need to be able to make enough of this $30 to make $327 a day. Okay. The math there is I need 11 contracts. So in the past, I will literally need 2 grand, which is the capital I have up as my insurance in case a flood happens. Okay. But I need to be able to do 11 of them. So I would have needed about 22K to do this. But because of the pattern day trading rule being eliminated, I'm able to do this with half the capital, nearly 12K, but getting into the same trade twice. So what I do is that I sell spreads, okay, in the morning, sometime around 9:30, 9:45 a.m. And then I collect profit. So I'm going to enter with the 12 grand, make about 160 between 9:30 and probably 10 a.m. Eastern time. And then I'm going to get into it a second time with the same 12K capital and make another 160, okay, with the same account. So that puts me right around that 320 mark, okay? And that's being conservative. Remember, I tell you, I usually make $30 to $40 per contract. So I'm going to make anywhere from $320 to about $360 every single day with only 12 grand. And voila, just like that, you've actually replaced your household expenses. Now, I don't want to get too deep into strategy. If you have questions about what a spread is and everything like that, just comment below and ask your questions. I'll definitely answer them. But really, the point is that we're selling insurance, we're selling options to generate cash. Okay, we're not the gambler. We're not trying to guess what the market is trying to do. We're actually playing probabilities. So if my back was against the wall, I didn't know what else to do. I need to generate income today, like literally right now in my bank account. I needed to pay bills. I need to take care of expenses, or I'm just building up to actually quit that 9 to 5. This is what I'll do because it's daily cash flow. I see the money and I don't need as much capital to get started. Okay. There's very few things where you're going to be making, that's about what, 2% on your money, every 2 to 3% on your money every single day with only 1 hour, 2 hours a day of work than this. Okay. So if you want to generate more, let's say you want to generate 12K a month in passive income, you just double the amount. So with 25K in capital, you'll be generating about 12K a month. Now, like I said, there's an aggressive method to do this. And yes, there are sometimes losses. That's why I implement something called a stop loss, which means if I get paid $80 in premium, if the premium skyrockets to 160, which means I gave up more in premium, double in premium than I got, I'm going to close out that trade. Okay. Because what that means is that one losing trade doesn't wipe me out. I might barely feel it. So maybe instead of that day, I'm making, instead of making $300 that day, I might only make 100 or 150, right? Because I have the right stop losses in place. So again, this is an aggressive method. There's ways that I do it more conservatively. And this is if I need to generate cash today and I have about 1 to 2 hours a day. If you don't like watching the markets, you need something more passive, then I'll be doing weekly and bi-weekly income plays using options. And I cover that in detail in my workshop that I host, um, and some of my programs below. Just check that out. But comment below, let me know, is this something you would do? And by the way, this is just the minimum. You can scale this. So with 75K, you can be generating as much as 30 to 40K a month, right? Every single day. The downside is you need to have about 1 to 2 hours a day. Let's call it 2 hours a day to actually watch this. Okay, this is not as passive as I like it to be. If you want more passive income where you're just putting money in, you don't worry about it, and it takes you 5 minutes a week. That's my on-call babysitter method below. Okay, I'm going to link that video below as well, called Cash Secured Puts. I highly recommend you check that out. So let me know below if you have any questions, or if you want me to do a deeper dive training on this as a masterclass for you. As always, to your profit. Chat soon.